Welcome to this video presentation here at Mach 1 Cars. My name's Neil and here we have the Kia Picanto on a 71 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle. First of all, as we approach the back of the car, you can see, given the size of the vehicle, we have plenty of boot space, which can be increased by folding down those rear seats, should you wish to. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in, and as I mentioned, we'll run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle, though, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see a digital readout for the speedometer, beneath which the total miles for the car. They are 41,306. You can change the information that's displayed up there using buttons on the steering wheel, which we're going to come to next. So out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was just using are over on this side here. We have our stereo and phone controls on the left-hand side. Into the centre, the main stereo itself. So this is where you'll access your radio, DAB, AM and FM, as you can see. It's also where you can access your own music. You can plug in a USB device, and that will then be up here once it's been inserted. You can pair up your phone, of course. Just hit number 2 to add a new phone, or 1 to cancel, which we're going to do at the moment, of course. And then you have various bits of information over here, your clock, your menu, etc. Below that, we have our hazard warning lights. And below that, the air conditioning. You can adjust the direction the air is being distributed in, the fan speed and temperature. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off, on again. We have a heated rear screen, and this button here will recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you set over there. We have a 12-volt charging socket and USB input, 2 cup holders and some storage. You can press these buttons to close the cup holder sections over. We have a button here to turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. And then we have our 5-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give me a call here at Mach 1 Cars. I'd love to hear from you soon.